Hey guys, Zach the Hobbyist here, and today I'm going to be fishing. This is at a hotel that I'm at. I've never fished here before, never been to this hotel. So stay tuned to see what I catch.
There we go. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Oh, he's not that big. But hey, fish is a fish. On the spook. Oh my gosh, he's a dink. Holy dink, boys. Well, look at that, guys. We got a little A319 up there, too. Planes and fish, two favorite things. Hey, y'all mess with this phone case? I don't know. See you, bud. All right, well, that's tough.